Hello again everyone, my name is Y and I work for the Boys and Girls of LA Harbor, and today we're going to be making a little penguin craft. To create this cute little penguin, all we really need are a few materials which you can find at home. So any type of water bottle, clear will be better or is the best option. Some yarn, tissue paper. If you have construction paper, that would be great. We just need orange. If not, you can easily use white paper and then color it with anything that you have. Today we're going to use markers, any type of glue, white glue or glue stick or tape, and of course you're going to need black paint of any sort. Today we're going to be using tempera. So the first step is to fill your bottle up with a little bit of paint. So we figure that this is the best option to make sure that this is a really easy and clean craft to do. Pour a little bit in here, and if you have water, that's fine too, because we actually need the water to help the paint flow. So all you're gonna do is kind of just shake your bottle until all sides are covered. Ta-da! So the next thing you want to do is, with your white paper, you want to sketch out like the face and the belly. So to do this, it's kind of just like an M shape and it's a little rounded. So I want to cover this part, so I'm gonna kind of figure out how tall I want it and how wide I want it. So I will hold my paper around the bottle and kind of figure out the height. I would say around here is good. And it's gonna be like an arch. So we'll do, I guess from your point, it's like a W or an M if you're facing it. So now we have our face here, and all you have to do is attach it. So for this, I'm actually gonna be using tape, because I figured that it's found that it's the easiest one to do and the least messy. So I'm gonna just get a few pieces of tape and roll them so we make them double-sided. And I'm going to attach this right over the label just to cover this up. Then with a marker, we're gonna draw the eyes. So we're gonna just do really simple little dots, and then you can either paint the beak right on there or kind of do a cutout like we did here. Kind of like a teardrop shape or like a water droplet, and we're gonna cut this right out. Many times, many ways. Like so. So I'm gonna just glue that here. There you go. And if you like, you can add a little bit of black. Like that. So once again, with your paper, we're gonna make the feet, and we're gonna do the same thing. Color it with orange and then cut it out. I like to do a really like deep M, or from your perspective a W, and then color that all in. And there we have it. I'm gonna just attach this really quickly with a piece of tape. Like that, and you guys are almost done. We just have one more step, is to make the hat and the scarf. All we need is some tissue paper, some yarn, and some scissors. Choose the color of your liking. I'm gonna make this one like a blue and a green, and you do want to cut along the long side. So I have longer strips here because you want to wrap around the whole top first. So I'm gonna just layer my colors really quickly. I'm gonna do a green, and a blue. So I'll do 2 greens, and you do want to layer them, especially if they're thinner. I'll do green and turquoise. So the first step is to wrap the top, which is going to be the pom-pom, and we're going to wrap it in the front and then tie it in the back or secure it with tape. So I'm going to just wrap it like this, and I'm going to just tape it. So that's it for the pom-pom. You can cut it if you'd like to. I'm going to cut it a little bit. So I'm going to scrunch it up and then just cut straight through. And there we go. All right. So here is our pom-pom. So the next part is like the brim of the hat. So we can go ahead and do the same thing and stack your colors together. And I'm going to be stacking the blue. And then I'll be doing green at the bottom. Kind of like the brim. You're going to just put this right around your penguin. Just be careful, rips is okay. Tissue paper is a little fragile, just be careful. And I'm just grabbing all this and pinching it. Get your yarn and just get ready to tie a little bow just to hold everything in place. So I'm putting my string behind it. And I'm gonna tie a little bow right where the bottle cap is. One more thing is to do our scarf. To do your scarf, once again, choose a color that you like. So for this one, I'm gonna contrast my colors a little bit and go with a darker purple. And then I'm gonna get my tape and already pre-roll it so I can have it ready to go. Rolling it, and I'm gonna place it here because I know I'm gonna want to cross my scarf along this way. So I'm gonna just wrap from the back. Start with one piece. So you can even tighten it or just like scrunch it up a little bit more right there. Do the same thing to the other side. So it stays, and there you go. All you gotta do is cut off, and you can adjust it. Cut off the excess. And I like to make little cuts here so it looks like a nice knitted scarf. There you go. There you have it. If you guys have any questions or would like to share your example with us, email me at yadira@bgcla Harbor, and we hope you guys have happy holidays. Thank you.